Sa ngiting hawig na Efren Bata Reyes ay siguradong panalo na. Pero dahil nandito tayo sa larangan ng suntukan ay kinakailangan ang kamao ay pinagtibayan ng panahon. Dito nga natin masasaksihan mga bay ang martilyong kamao ng ating kababayan na nagparetiro sa isang undefeated American fighter. Sa isang IBF Super Featherweight Elimination Fight ay nakalaban ng Pinoy ang isang undefeated American fighter. Kung saan sa Amerika, ang Pinoy na ito ay talagang gumawa ng isang pangalan bilang sakit sa ulo sa sinumang nasa 130 pounds. Pero ito ay baliwala sa American fighter at sinabing mabagal daw ang Pinoy at flat-footed. Ang makakalaban nga ng Pinoy rito mga bay ay si Mark Davis, may alias na Too Sharp na 27 anyos at titikim pa lang ng pagkatalo sa record na 18 wins with 5 knockouts. Ito ay ipinanganak sa Amerika. At ang veteranong Pinoy naman na may alias na Hammerfest ay si Michael Farenas at may kartada nga itong 37 wins with 29 knockouts na may 4 na talo at 4 na draw. 30 years old na si Farenas sa labang ito mga bay, kung saan ay pinanganak nga ito sa Gubat, Sorsogon. Pag-umpisa ng laban mga bay ay mainit na sinalubong ni Farenas ang nagyayabang na kalaban. Sa bodega agad ni Davis ang kanyang punteriya, kung saan sa ilang segundo nga lang ay nagkaroon ng sugat ang kanang kilay ni Davis.
And there we go. For Davis and Les to his right. He's moving the wrong way right now. Right? Bad place to be to his left. He'll be moving.
Teddy.
Well, I should say help Davis.
Looks like there's already a small cut right eye of Mark Davis as he was circling.
Paisa-isa rin din ang mga suntok ni Farenas mga bay. Subalit punong-puno ito ng mga pabaon na siyang ninanamnam ni Davis. Lumitaw nga sa labang ito na tila hindi pa nakakita itong Amerikano ng isang kaliwete na kalaban at hindi alam kung paano iwasan ang mga kaliwang suntok ng Pinoy.
Really well.
Start using that jab to keep something separate, and then he's going to need the right hand. Slow down the southpaw.
And cut, paused, and said,
Farenas going to have his way.
Bago mag-umpisa ang second round mga bay, ay may baon na si Mark Davis na mantikilya sa ibabaw ng kanyang kilay. Ito nga ang naging pinsala sa lakas ng kaliwang suntok ni Farenas. At hanggang sa mga puntong ito mga bay, ay puro pag-iwas na lang ang nagagawa ni Mark Davis. At umiiwas ito sa dikitang bakbakan at umaatras sa tuwing susugod na si Farenas.
Have to throw in some leg, gonna need legs. Turn around, what was it? Moving a little more to his left when he was moving right into that left hand.
That time straight back against the ropes, and the hard-charging Filipino comes in with that left hand free as they wrestle their way into the corner, and now he's just making a fight out, relentless attack.
Davis is leaving the front door open, and he's allowing Farenas to come in that front door, so he figures now, Davis, you know what? That man's going to be important in front of Davis, I should say. Manuel Diablo goes coming in, but he does that enough. Comes in with that big left hand that probably just won the round for him.
Hindi biro mga bay ang mabibigat na suntok na pinakawala ni Farenas at ang lahat nga na iyon ay tiniis lang ni Mark Davis. Pinagsabihan nga ang undefeated American fighter ng kanyang corner na iwasan na nitong gumalaw sa kanyang kanan para hindi madali sa kaliwa ni Farenas. Gamitin na daw din ang kanilang binuong estratehiya para kontrahin ang pag-atake ng Pinoy. Kung anumang estratehiya ito mga bay, abangan natin sa mga sumunod na mga oras.
Farenas went 10. You move fast in places like the Philippines. Now from Farenas, he looks for that. Downstairs and up, that power punch.
There's a right hook that time by Farenas.
No rules. And there's another one. And Davis gives him the opportunity to standing right in front of him, not moving off to his left away from the power.
Sits in there round. There's a combination that finished with a left hand, a Filipino dialect, as he takes this into the against the undefeated 18-0 Mark Davis, title eliminator, and now he's charging into that corner against him as he landed a
prize by this avalanche of left hand. They should have known that's what Farenas brings, and in spots, that's what a lot of speed.
Both men going, just getting right back to action here in the main event.
And Farenas mixing up those left hands nice.
Combination through the uppercut that had to fire back. Didn't land anything on the inside. Now short right hand on the inside. He lifted him with that right hand. Now they're on the inside. Let's pull back. There was a left hand that leaded from Farinas.
This was a card game. Davis has...
Maganda ang naging palitan ng suntok sa mga nakaraang rounds mga bay. At dito nga sa pangalibang lugto ng bakbakan ay parehong power punches ang pinapakawala ng dalawa. At talagang sa mga binibitawan nilang suntok ay matira ang matibay.
Took over. And that's what's gonna happen. He'll behave like a father. He's gonna... And the head trainer is gonna be on the side.
Davis was comfortably in the pocket there. Smoger had to break him.
Again, it's the power on the inside. I mean, I don't care if Davis throws 6. Makes up for those 6 and goes past the flurries of punches that everyone's in. And there it is again.
Left hand again. As Davis takes us more here in round 5. Combination. Right hand by the undefeated.
Shows that right hand. He shows 3 of a kind. He's looking for that full house beat. Means nothing those quick punches.
That's right. Nothing is landing flush there.
At sa loob ng 20 segundos mga bay bago magtapos ang round ay nagpakawala ng isang malakas na kaliwang suntok si Farinas at dito nga ay nadali si Davis. Kung meron nga lang sapat na oras ay siguradong knockdown ang kalaban.
To get away, you give your, in this case Farinas, a chance to catch you as you come up.
On the attack.
Down way too low. And by the time you get back up, Farinas reloads and he's...
For Mark Davis, IBF landing flush and a cut opened up on the right eye, and then there at the end of 5.
That we saw in the last round where Davis went way too low. The previous 18 just got away with it. Now, we can only hope for Davis right now. I mean, his heart is keeping him in there. He's showing great heart. But I think he needs to get out of there and use his legs. If he's not, he's staying in those trenches.
Oh, he ate a big one upstairs.
Fighting. The geography provides. If it should have been on the outside.
A left hand comes in again.
Sa pinsalang natamo ni Mark Davis mga bay ay nilapitan na ito ng ring doctor para masuri. Pinagsabihan na rin ito ng referee na kailangan niyang magpakita na kaya pa niyang lumaban dahil kung hindi ay ititigil na nito ang laban.
The corner of Davis turned to Schwartz when he gave them the warning as to what he was looking for, the position. But you're also taking anything here to survive Farinas. Throughout the night from Farinas here in round 7. Now here it was just a glancing blow. Back to the body. Away from that left-handed Filipino. Corner light the hand on the chin of Farinas. His chin has been dented. That he needed to survive. Not win, but survive. The cut man, the fighters, Lenny De Jesus. It's about yesterday. Took it off his back off ball tonight. 18 yesterday to the ocean. The close all fight. And time split, ready for battle. Oh, he backs up.
At wala pa ngang 1 minuto sa round 8 mga bay ay tuluyan ng inagaw ni Farinas ang walang talong record ni Davis. Ito ay matapos kumonekta sa panga ang kanyang kaliwang suntok ay pumagit na agad ang referee para itigil ang laban. Daghang salamat mga bay, hanggang sa dulo hindi pa rin kayo bumibitaw. Nais ko pong malaman ang iyong reaksyon sa ating video. Paki-comment lang po sa baba at babasahin po natin yan. Daghang salamat at sa Diyos ang lahat ng papuri.